Hello everybody, thanks so much for tuning in to my channel today. If you're new here, welcome. If you're one of my amazing returning subscribers, welcome back. As you guys saw in the title of this video, today I'm going to be reviewing Cosmopolitan's Eau De Juice perfume. So if you guys want to see this review, then go ahead and stay tuned. Also, don't be a stranger. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button and also subscribe and become part of the family. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. So like I said previously, this is Cosmopolitan's Eau De Juice perfume. I think they released these, they may have released them in 2017 or maybe 2018. I'm not totally sure. But I think there are about 5 different scents on this line, and this one is the Love Unfiltered version, and it just comes in this white box. So this is what the actual perfume bottle looks like up close. Now I absolutely love this perfume. Lately I've been like getting a whole bunch of blind buys, and the majority of them I have not liked. This is literally the only one that I just completely fell in love with. I had never smelled it before, but it was on sale at Ulta, so I went ahead and tried it out. And I'm not sure if you can only purchase these at Ulta. You might. So there are 3 other versions of this perfume. They come in the similar little juice box styles. There's a pink one, there is an orange one, and a blue one. I'm not really sure what those scents are. I might try those in the future because I love this one so much. There was also a limited edition gold one, which since it was limited edition, I don't think they're selling it on Ulta anymore, but I think I might be able to find it from another seller somewhere else. So I am going to be looking for that. But now on to the notes of this fragrance. For the top notes, there are red berries and mandarin orange. For the middle notes, there's freesia and star jasmine. And for the base notes, there is amber and white woods. Now, as soon as you spray this perfume, all you get is fruit. Just like amazing fruit, but not like nasty cheap fruit. It just like you get a lot of the fruitiness, but then it all comes down and is brought back together with those woods and the amber. So this doesn't smell like a kiddish perfume at all. It smells really sweet and a little bit mature too. It just smells nice, and like when you let it dry down, it really smells expensive. Like really expensive. You just smell really nice. Now for this perfume, I will say like the only con that I really don't like about the bottle is the sprayer. As you guys saw before when I showed you a close-up, this little sprayer is in the back of it. And as you see, there's not that much space to actually push down. So sometimes you really don't get that good of a spray. It's just like a little like squirt and trickle, which like I'm not a fan of. And also I've noticed that sometimes this doesn't last that long on me. So I just keep applying it throughout the day. But this is definitely just a fragrance that I'm completely in love with. Now this perfume does retail for $55 on Ulta.com. I did not get it for that much though. I found it on sale on Ulta, which is another tip. Like if you guys are completely into fragrances, check Ulta every now and then because they have really good sales. I got this for $22. It was like a flash sale, which is mainly why I tried it out. I really wasn't like, I wanted to get the juice box, the Eau De Juice perfumes, but I didn't know which one to try, and I had never smelled them before, so I was just like, like do I want to pay $55 for something that I've never smelled before? But yeah, I tried it and I really love this, and I recommend that you guys try it as well. This could be like an everyday going out scent, but it could also be like if you're going somewhere really nice, like a date night or something. This would smell amazing. It's really versatile. Like, I just cannot with this perfume. Like, as soon as you open up the box, like, you smell that woodsiness, like the white woods, but it's not like a earthy kind of woods. It's just like a warm, just oof. Oh my gosh. Okay, there it is. Okay, so I may have figured out a little hack to the whole sprayer issue that I mentioned earlier. Usually when I press it more towards the back, but in order to get a good spray, like, your entire finger has to be on this button and just press it down. It's a little bit tricky when you have nails, like long nails, but you know, if you want a good spray, you'll just like push it down like that. And I just think that this bottle is absolutely adorable. Like, I could see collecting all of them and just having them on my shelf on display. So I definitely recommend you guys try this out if you can. And yeah, so I hope you guys really enjoyed watching this video, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye.